In the dimly lit alleys of a forgotten city, a scrappy stray cat fights daily for survival, dodging danger, outwitting rivals and scavenging for scraps. But one fateful night, everything changes. The cat saves a mysterious old man from a pack of wild dogs, unaware that this man is a reclusive billionaire in disguise. Touched by the cat's courage, the billionaire takes the feline in, unknowingly setting off a chain of events that will transform both their lives forever. From cold streets to marble floors, from hunger to luxury, this is the untold story of loyalty, luck, and an unlikely friendship that defied the odds.